Firstly, Raj, tell us what is the क्या कहते हैं? Which chapter does this sentence belong? Raj, which chapter does this sentence belong? University result घोष- No, still he is still here.
Uh, I think he is facing some network problem.
No, no, I was setting up all the things.
Okay.
So answer my question, Raj.
Yes, ma'am.
यूनिवर्सिटी रिजल्ट घोषित कर चुकी थी. Which chapter does this sentence belong?
This sentence belongs to कर चुकी past perfect.
Very good. And what is the category of this sentence, Sarika?
It is an affirmative sentence.
Yes. Now I'm going to write. So, is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
University.
Now it is clearly visible.
University had university had university had declared the result. The should there. Raj, tell me what is university here?
University is the subject in this sentence.
Sarika, what is had here?
The had is a helping verb here.
What is declare here, Raj?
Ma'am, it's the third form of the verb.
And what is result here, Sarika?
The result is the object here.
Okay. यूनिवर्सिटी रिजल्ट घोषित कर चुकी थी. This is active voice sentence and I'm going to make passive voice. Okay. So, what is the first role of passive voice, Raj?
Firstly, we change the object into subject, subject into object.
Okay, good. So, what is object?
Result is the object in this sentence.
Next, what is second rule of the passive voice, Sarika?
The according to the second rule, we take helping verb accordingly if it is present.
Is there any helping verb in upper one sentence?
Yeah, the had is the helping verb in upper one sentence.
So we are taking as it is. Okay. What is the next rule of the passive voice, Raj?
Later on, we will take the helping. What is the third or second?
Third rule of passive
Now we
voice.
remember the god of passive voice, that is be.
So we remembering the god of passive voice, that is be. So should we take as it is or we have to change?
I don't know, ma'am.
Okay. Raj, you tell me. Should we take as it is or we have to change?
Ma'am, as the rule says, now we remember the god of passive voice, that is be. So we will take as it is.
Okay. And just because of this is the passive voice, this is the perfect tense. So we are taking the third form of the being. That is being. Okay. Next rule of the passive voice, Sarika.
Thereafter, we change the main verb into V3.
What is the main verb here?
The declare is the main verb here.
What should be the third form of the declare, Raj?
Ma'am, declared should be the third form of declare.
The result has been declared. And what is the last rule of the passive voice, Sarika?
Lastly, we change the object into the sub. Lastly, we change the subject into the object with the help of by.
So we are taking help of by changing subject into the object. That is university. University. And the sentence is result has been declared by university. Okay, so what does it mean? This sentence mean? What is the Hindi meaning of this sentence, Sarika?
यूनिवर्सिटी के द्वारा रिजल्ट को घोषित कर दिया गया था.
Or what should be the second, Raj?
रिजल्ट यूनिवर्सिटी के द्वारा घोषित किया गया था.
यूनिवर्सिटी के द्वारा
रिजल्ट घोषित किया गया था.
यूनिवर्सिटी के द्वारा किया गया था और दूसरा क्या बताया सारिका ने?
रिजल्ट को नहीं यूनिवर्सिटी हाँ रिजल्ट को यूनिवर्सिटी के द्वारा घोषित किया जा चुका था. किया गया था ज्यादा सही होगा ना ली.
किया गया था यूनिवर्सिटी के द्वारा.
हाँ, रिजल्ट को यूनिवर्सिटी के द्वारा घोषित किया गया था.
बट दिस इज वर्किंग नाइस, यूनिवर्सिटी के द्वारा रिजल्ट घोषित किया गया। हाँ
हाँ, but we have to make na two answer, two translation. That's why I'm saying.
Yeah, this is the advertisement, or this is the ad on the newspaper. So this one, if we are reading newspaper, so this thing, this sentence we can usually use in the newspaper. यूनिवर्सिटी के द्वारा रिजल्ट घोषित किया गया या घोषित किया गया। हाँ, this is the subject. This is the head, or this is what is this? Being, and this is adjective. और ये by और ये subject, by क्या हुआ? What is by here?
By is the preposition here.
Okay, I have done this sentence. Is it right or wrong? Okay, you can ask any question, Raj and Sarika.
Ma'am, can't we put the before result?
Yes, we can. We can put the result has been. The result over there, I have put over there result, but this is coming in front of the sentence, so I am writing here. The result had been declared. Result, the result. No, that will not
I think,
come. That will not come. It is not working. I haven't seen. So anything else?
how can you say declare is working as an adjective there?
Declare is working adjective here because it is coming. What is the meaning of declare adjective? What is the definition of adjective?
Are you asking to me?
Yeah.
Okay. Adjective are those words which describe or define the quantity, quality of the noun as well as pronoun.
Noun as well as pronoun. So this is the define. This adjective is defining. This is defining the noun. Noun is a subject, and then the result is a noun. So it is defining here noun. So this is the adjective.
I'm not satisfied with your answer.
That's why this is the adjective.
Can you elaborate, please?
Because किसका रिजल्ट घोषित किया जा रहा है, तो रिजल्ट घोषित किया जा रहा है तो यूनिवर्सिटी का। अच्छा, दिस इज डिफाइनिंग यूनिवर्सिटीज रिजल्ट, तो यूनिवर्सिटी का रिजल्ट डिक्लेयर किया जा रहा है, तो ये उसके बारे में एडजेक्टिव बता रहा है नाउन के बारे में, तो ये एडजेक्टिव आ रहा।
But university is the object here, na?
हाँ, but it is working also for a noun. As a noun, we can work and we can take it because at the last it is working object.
But according to your Hindi sentence, university के द्वारा result घोषित किया जा रहा है. So declare is not showing the condition of university.
Declare is showing university's result. यूनिवर्सिटी का रिजल्ट घोषित किया जा रहा है, किसी और का नहीं. स्पेशली यूनिवर्सिटी का, तो रिजल्ट किसका, यूनिवर्सिटी का, is
But
declaring by the university. Result had been declared by the university. That's why we have taken specifying the university result. That's why this is the adjective.
but in English sentence, you don't mention the university's result. It is only result. Result can be any.
University, we can understand that this is the result of university. That's why this is declaring, university is declaring result. So
But
we can
university is having
result. Which kind of
university is
result
having
they are declaring?
so many colleges, na.
But
So it is not
if
specified
there are so many
particularly.
colleges in university, but we can say that we always say that the result declared from the university, not from any college. So this is the noun, and this is noun, and it is adjective, and because this is defining the noun of the sentence. So sometimes what we say, okay, Raj,
I think it is only specifying the result. Means result घोषित किया जा रहा है, किया जाना. So
किसका रिजल्ट घोषित कर, यूनिवर्सिटी का ना, यूनिवर्सिटी घोषित कर रही है.
means you have to put results of a university. You have to write down this type of sentence. Results of university had been declared by
हाँ, अपना रिजल्ट घोषित कर रही है, तो उसके द्वारा हो रहा है ना, यूनिवर्सिटी के द्वारा हो रहा है. That's why we have taken the adjective over there, because the subject is we can say the noun. What do you say, Raj?
Ma'am, you are right.
I'm right.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes.
yes.
Bachche has given the answer na, so we have made the today's sentence perfectly.
Ma'am, can't we make the sentence like result was declared by university?
No, we cannot say we. Okay, this is in a present past perfect tense, no. We cannot say in
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. I'm not talking about like out of the passive voice. If we like to make
Yeah,
it,
we can. The result was
so the meaning should be same.
हाँ किया गया.
And I think
चाहता
that
है.
time no need to write
हाँ,
down
हाँ,
by
हाँ.
the university. Means result was declared is sufficient and complete sentence.
Result was declared and result is declared. But whenever the university write the any quotation on the paper, so they use proper English grammar, present perfect tense or present past tense. So or not for notification and for circular, they use this kind of grammar. So we cannot, or we are, if we are in hurry or we are talking normal way, and we are talking with the people, or we are talking with the friends, so we can say कि this university was, result was declared. अरे result declare हो गया, यूनिवर्सिटी ने रिजल्ट डिक्लेयर कर दिया. So in normal way we can say result was declared. Where were you? And normally we say ना, अरे कहाँ थे तुम? Result तो हो गया declare. Like this. Anything else?
Nothing is coming in mind now. Let me think.
अच्छा. Think. Sarika?
Same situation I am facing. Nothing
Okay.
is coming in my mind because in earlier session na sir was explained everything. So all the question we
Clear.
have
Everything
we
is
have
clear.
all the answers. So that's why
Hmm.
na.
You have cleared what is the adjective. So I knew what is the adjective, and sir has cleared all the things. So we got know everything. Now coming sentences will be difficult for us, and other sentences.
Tomorrow sentence will be difficult because maybe it will be belong another category or another tense.
Future perfect tense. The next.
I think future perfect tense is not very practical to make passive voice.
But you
So
can make.
maybe sir will skip that all the future perfect tenses. Maybe.
Hmm. What to do?
Should we conclude today?
Yes.
है ना?
Raj was Raj Kurvega. He has done his job, and we have done our job. So let's conclude the class
And you
today.
have made successfully this sentence. Bhabhi, what should we do?
She must be busy.
Okay. What do you say, Di?
Or Raj is here, so he can explain. He can share the experience. How did you make this sentence, or did you get same sentence in your class, Raj? He's also busy somewhere else. Chalo. Okay. Bye.
Okay,
Let's
bye
conclude.
bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.